Dear student, now we will start future continuous tense. In the previous class, we have discussed simple future tense. So now see here future continuous tense. First of all, note it that it expresses the continuity of an action in the future tense. Rule: subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Examples: Anu will be going to Holland tonight. Next example is I shall be writing a letter. Now for affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences with the subject I or we, shall be is used, will be is used with all other subjects. Rule: subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Examples: he will be eating lunch. Next is we shall be eating breakfast. Next example: Ram will be playing football. For the negative sentences, in negative sentences, not is used just after shall or will and before be. Rule: subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Examples: he will not be eating lunch. Next is I shall not be writing a letter. Next is interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, the helping verb will or shall is used before the subject and be will remain at the same place, means after subject. Rule: will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object question mark. Examples: will he be eating lunch question mark. Next is will they be writing a letter question mark. Now we will discuss interrogative negative sentences. In these sentences, helping verbs will or shall is used before subject and not used after the subject and before be. Rule: will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object question mark. Examples: will he not be eating lunch question mark. Next is will they not be writing a letter question mark. So we have completed future continuous tense, and in the previous class we have completed simple future tense. In the next class we will discuss future perfect tense.